Hello friends, if you have a startup or if you have just an idea or if you want to increase your income and want to directly sell your farm product, your recipe, your food product, your sweet product, any kind of things, you need a proper packaging and you need to sell it with proper photography online. For that, you might be thinking you need an external agency and have to spend a lot of money. So if you saw, I'll give you an AI tool that does the entire product packaging along with the Mockup and Dieline in friction of time and with the friction of cost. You don't need to hire anyone. You can directly use by yourself. So if you want to create Mockup, Dieline or packaging design, use this tool. So without waiting, let's go to the tool and see step by step how to use this tool. First of all, go to the tools website. You will find the tool link in the description. So before we start the video, let's see what Packify AI does the best and what are the good features we should check out. So let's get started. Here at the top, you can see Packify AI's works on things like AI packaging design, AI product photography, AI mockups, and many more things, which means it's a great tool for graphic designing and packaging designing. So without wasting any time, let's move ahead. First, we'll log in with our Google account. So you can log in from the right side button and then you can use one of your Google account. After logging in, scroll down and you can see that Packify AI provides many packaging templates. You can use them directly or take inspiration for your own packaging design. So if you like any of these template, just click on it and then click on redesign and you can start using the same template. So we'll skip this for now. We want to create new fresh packaging design. So let's click on AI packaging design. Once you click, come to the left side. Here we need to fill up all the packaging designing information such as product, brand, logo, file, packaging type, so on. So before entering this information, you should have all of your content ready. Now you can see here, I have everything prepared like product, brand, element, style, all is ready. So let's copy the product from here and paste it there. Once we paste it, the process will automatically start in the center. Wait for a few seconds. After that, copy the brand and paste it in the given box. Then we have to upload our logo file. You can upload JPG or PNG formats. We will upload it later. So let's go to the next one, which is packaging type. We want to create shipping box. So we'll click on it. You can see many packaging options here. Select according to your requirement. Then within the shipping box, there are further categories. So we'll select folding box. After that, there are a number of images. Here you can select how many images you want. I'll keep it 3. Then we have elements. So I have already written them down. So I'll just copy and paste each one here one by one. Then comes style. So I have written them down as well. So I'm just going to copy and paste all of them here. Same way, if you want to use a ready-made one, you can also do it. Click on color and then select from the packaging style options available. There are many style listed here. I have already written mine, so I'll just paste them one by one. Next, we have color. In color, we get 3 options: theme color, competitive analysis, and packaging style. We have already covered packaging style. So next, let's look at the competitive analysis. As the name suggests, you can upload your competitor's packaging style here, and this tool automatically analyze it and create the similar style for your packaging design. So that's a competitive analysis. Then there are color options. So if you want, you can select any one of them or leave it as it is. It will automatically pick up the proper theme. So I'll just keep it as it is. Now on the left side, click on generate, and within few minutes our packaging design will be ready. So here on the screen you can see 3 amazing packaging designs of different style for our packaging. So let's take a look at all of them. And if you want to download all the image, then just click on this download all and you can download all of them. And if you want to customize any of them, just hover your cursor over an image and download it from here. Then there is edit options. If you want to make any changes to the design, just click on edit and type the changes you're looking for this particular design, and then just click on this arrow and AI will start editing your image. Now if everything looks good, you can just click back. Then there is an export Dieline. It's an amazing feature. So if you want to directly send your packaging design for printout or your superior, just use this feature and send them the Dieline. So that is the export Dieline feature. Now my packaging is a shipping box, but under recommended, the tool has suggested Mockup based on my design. So I'm going to choose one of them and I like this one. So I'll click on it. Once you click, you will see your Dieline size with height, width, length options. You can change any of these and click apply to update the size, or just click continue. Now you can see our packaging Dieline is here. It might take a little time to render and fit the design. And here on the screen you can see our packaging design is ready. Adjust it according to the size you need. Next, when you click on the image on the right side, you will find options like image, size, smart edit, under which you get features like cutout, upscale, erase, retouch, crop, straighten, etc. That means these are all image editing options. You can use these to fine-tune your design, and you can see I have already done that. Then at the top center there is an image option. From here you can upload or generate any new image. Next, there is a text option. Here you will find ready-made options like nutrition fact panel, net weight, ingredient list, and badges. You can use any of these in your design. This one feature as well making my job much easier. I can take ready-made this kind of panel and just put it and update as per my requirement. So after that, there are shapes that you can customize and use it in your design. Next, there is 3D box design preview options on the left side to view your design in 3D. This is also a common feature but very useful. And the next, you can see below that you get the layers panel where you can see all your images layer. Again, as a designer, this is very useful, and we can also get the similar kind of editing options in our AI tool as well. So AI help us to generate the designs and all other necessary elements quickly. Over that, if you need any editing, there are all the options available as well. So it's one tool for quickly generating design, mockup, Dieline, as well as all the editing. So that's why this is one of my favorite packaging design tool. Here you can see our final packaging design with Dieline, outline, packaging, and box with mockup. So that was the packaging AI's packaging design features. I have generated one video earlier, but this time I'm covering with all the new features these AI tools are offering. So hopefully you learned something out of this video, and if that happens, please like this video, subscribe my channel, and share this video with all of your packaging design friends. See you in the next one.